Hello and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Windows 11 without typing your password or PIN. Start by opening Start menu and type Settings. Go to Accounts, scroll down and click Sign in options. Turn off the first option and change second option to Never. Now remove all configured ways to sign in for your user account. I have only PIN. I don't have any additional ways to sign in. Only using password. You can close these settings. Now go to Start menu, type Run. Now write netplwiz. Uncheck first option. Apply. Enter your credentials. If you have Microsoft account, enter your Microsoft email and password. If you have local account, enter your username and password. Okay. Okay. Now you can test your automatic login by rebooting. As you can see, I was logged automatically without prompting for password. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.